Praise Yahweh, Shalom, and welcome to another episode with Caleb Consultant. Today we are going to discuss discovering your unique purpose. Yes, you have a purpose. If I said to you now, what is your purpose? Would you be able to answer me? Do you know that most people do not know? Well, let's go. Romans chapter 12, verses 6 through 8. Having then gifts different according to the grace that is given to us, whether prophecy, let us prophesy according to the portion of faith, or ministry, let us wait on our ministry. And that right there tell you that Yahweh give us all different gifts, and you have to use it to make yourself wealthy. Let's go. You have a purpose. You count. You matter. You have a purpose. Each person has a unique gift or purpose. Discovering it is the key to fulfillment. Yahweh equips each of his children with unique gifts. True success is walking in purpose and using your Yahweh given abilities to serve others. Yes, my love, that is true. Examine your gifts. This is the time when you have to reflect on yourself. Your purpose is always tied to your gift, your natural strengths, your natural talents, your spiritual gifts. That points directly to your purpose. What are you naturally talented at? What are your natural strengths? Ask yourself, what do I do easily that others struggle with? What skills come naturally to me? What problems do people seek me out to solve? Your gift is usually the first arrow pointing to your purpose. So ask yourself these questions. Get pen and paper out and write them down. And pay attention to what you're drawn to. Your passion will your passion will reveal your assignment that Yahweh give you here on earth. What are you passionate about? What is it that will happen that will drive your soul mad and wild? What is it that you do that your soul will just be like, yes, this is it? What excites you is often a clue to what Yahweh wanted you to do. Ask yourself, what am I always researching? What projects make me lose track of time? What causes do I feel deeply about? Review your life patterns. Your story is a map. Look back in your life. Our purposes often hide inside your struggles, your victories, and your life journey. Reflect back. What have I overcame that others still struggle with? What did you overcome that others are struggling with right now? That right there can be your business. What area did Yahweh deliver you from? What pain did he allow you to become so that the wisdom inside of you can reveal and release you from it? Your pain becomes your purpose because your testimony becomes someone else's roadmap. If you have done it and are successful at it, you can show somebody else the roadmap. Remember, there's nothing new under the sun. Identify what burdens you spiritually. What breaks you is what you're called to heal. Purpose is tied to what deeply bothers or moves you. Example, some people are burdened for children, so they go into teaching. Some are burdened for the poor, so you go into leadership, outreach, setting up nonprofit organizations. Some are burdened for confusion, so they go into education, spreading the truth, bringing clarity to people. Some are burdened for pain, broken walls. Some are burdened for pain, so they don't like to see people in pain, so they open clinics, pain clinics, chiropractor, become neurosurgeons, and so forth. Nehemiah felt pain for the broken walls, and that pain was his assignment. So that's burdening you, turn that into your business. That is your purpose. That is your passion. That is what Yahweh designed and created you to do. Praise Yahweh. If you want success in 2026, batkalebconsultant@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Praise Yahweh. Talk to you soon.